Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you've run out of funds for your daily essentials. It's a situation we've all experienced at some point, and it can be quite stressful. That's where apps like BeforePay come in, offering a convenient solution for those in need of a financial boost. But what if BeforePay isn't the right fit for you? Are there any other apps out there that can offer similar services? Let's dive in and explore some alternatives. Understanding BeforePay. BeforePay, for those unfamiliar, is a mobile application that allows users to access a portion of their upcoming paycheck before payday. This can be a lifesaver for those facing unexpected expenses or simply need a little extra cash to tide them over. However, it's important to note that BeforePay isn't without its limitations. There are often fees associated with using the app, and it's not suitable for everyone. Alternative apps. Now, let's explore some alternative apps that offer similar services to BeforePay. Earning is another popular app that allows users to access a portion of their earned wages before payday. Similar to BeforePay, Earning charges a fee for its services, but it also offers a tip feature that allows users to pay what they think is fair. Chime is a mobile banking app that offers a variety of features, including early direct deposit access. While it doesn't function exactly like BeforePay, it can be a helpful option for those looking for a more traditional banking experience with early access to funds. Daily Pay is a payroll service that allows employees to access their earned wages on a daily basis. This can be a great option for those who need regular access to funds, but it may not be available to everyone. Payactiv is another app that allows users to access a portion of their earned wages before payday. It offers a variety of financial tools, including budgeting and debt management. QuickPay is a payroll service that allows employees to access their earned wages on a daily basis. It offers a variety of features, including direct deposit and time tracking. Factors to consider. When choosing an alternative to BeforePay, it's important to consider several factors. Fees. Some apps charge fees for their services, while others do not. It's important to compare fees and choose an app that fits your budget. Eligibility. Not everyone is eligible to use these apps. Some apps have eligibility requirements, such as being employed for a certain amount of time. Features. Different apps offer different features. Consider what features are important to you and choose an app that offers those features. Customer service. Good customer service is essential. Look for an app with a reputation for excellent customer service. Conclusion. While BeforePay is a popular option for those in need of a financial boost, there are plenty of other apps available that offer similar services. By carefully considering the factors mentioned above, you can find an app that best suits your needs and helps you manage your finances more effectively. So, there you have it. There are plenty of alternative apps to BeforePay available. Whether you're looking for a traditional banking experience, a daily pay option, or something in between, there's an app out there that can help you. Remember, always do your research and choose an app that you feel comfortable using. With so many options available, there's no reason to settle for anything less than the best. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.